Mr. Rosenberg, I have a friend that was involved in an accident, and at the time of the accident, she didn't have any pain or anything. And we did all the exchanging of the phone numbers and the insurance cards and all that stuff. But it's been a few days, and she's starting to complain that she's experiencing some pain. What would be the what do I tell her what to do?
She needs to get medical care. That event, that accident, is what's caused her pain unless she can account for it some other way. And if she's telling you she didn't fall down recently and she didn't injure herself, then she didn't lift anything that was too heavy, then that pain she has is from that accident and could be a serious injury. She needs to get to a doctor. She needs to get to an MD. And if she doesn't have a regular MD, she needs to go to an emergency room and get checked out. They're going to put their hands on her body. They're going to feel the areas that she says are injured and that are painful. If need be, they're going to give her an x-ray or a set of x-rays, maybe an MRI. If she's got a problem with her head, maybe she lost consciousness for a little bit, they'll give her a CAT scan. They'll eliminate the worst possibilities. They'll give her a diagnosis. They'll probably write some scripts for her for pain and swelling and muscle relaxants, and they'll advise her to follow up with her own personal physician. And in many cases, these are what are called soft tissue injuries, and they can be treated by a medical doctor. They can be treated by a chiropractor, and especially chiropractic or physical therapy will give her pain relief, will loosen up her muscles, will increase her range of motion, will allow her to heal more readily than she would if she didn't have that medical care. But the important thing is, as soon as she feels as if she's injured and she can attribute the injury and the pain to that accident, she needs to get checked out medically. And then, of course, the next thing she needs to do is to speak to an experienced professional, an attorney who handles these kinds of cases, to get some advice as to how to proceed further. Quick information I could give your friend is she needs to not speak to the insurance company that represents and insures the other driver, the at-fault driver. They have their ways. They will get her or attempt to get her to admit some things and make some statements that are not in her interest. And when you're injured and you're in pain, you don't necessarily think 100% clearly, and so it's easy to be led into making misstatements. The best thing to do is to avoid those people. If she wants some legal advice, we're always available. Call us. She's going to get through to us. Not just a message to a paralegal or a secretary. She's going to talk to a lawyer within a few minutes, maybe me, it may be one of my associates. We're going to give her we're going to listen to her situation. We're going to give her some valuable advice about the legal issues involved and what she needs to do. So it's important that she take quick action, even though there's been a delay of a day or two before she sensed that injury and that pain. Now that she has it, it's probably not going to go away anytime soon. She probably needs some treatment, and certainly she needs to be evaluated and diagnosed, if for nothing else than to avoid, to eliminate the possibility of anything more serious, broken bones, or even conditions more serious than that. So if she wants to call us, we're happy to take her call. She will get quick, on-the-spot legal advice, whether she becomes our client or not. We're dedicated to the idea of helping people who've been injured through no fault of their own in automobile accidents. So give us a call. We'll be happy to spend the time necessary, not just a quick 2 minutes, but whatever it takes to put her on the right course so that she's headed towards good medical care and a good legal resolution of her case.
Excellent. I sincerely appreciate that offer, and thank you so very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Wes. Good to be
Yes,
with
sir.
you today.
Nice to be with you.